Hi guys, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more update. And then we are going to start the video. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create clipping mask in Adobe Photoshop. Using the clipping mask designs, use the multiple clipping mask to create complex compositions and use the layer blending modes. Use layer blending modes to combine the clipped layer with the underlining layers. Use adjustment layers to apply color corrections and adjustment to the clipped layer. Tips and tricks: use the layers panel to manage and adjust the clipping mask. Experiment with different layer and composition to achieve unique effects.